Hey guys, I'm celebrating this Wednesday. Sara K Consulting is up and running. I'm quite literally offering my hand to you. I will come to you, go through all your products. We will weed out what you don't need and help you use up what you've already purchased. And then from there, depending on what your skincare goals are, help guide you towards that direction, whether it's products, treatments, where to go, who's the best. I have all that information. I've been in this industry 14 years and I want to share it with you, but I wanted to find a new avenue because I know not everybody has time to come in the office. I know not everybody makes, facial treatments a priority, and you don't even need to. But in order to be fit, you got to do something every single day. Running a marathon does not make you fit, right? So what you're doing every single day, that's what's going to affect the way you continue to age. Probably, I'm not going to say more than anything, but it's going to have a significant impact. So if you want to make sure you're doing the right thing, if you want me to hold your hand, personalize a treatment just for you, hit me up, sarakconsulting.com. You can schedule online, and I look forward, hopefully, to working with you.